In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Binance Daily Rewards, sometimes known as check-in points. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey in the world of digital currencies, staying informed on the rewards you can earn is a great advantage. So, let's dive in step by step and see how you can access your daily rewards with ease on Binance. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Binance homepage. You can do this by entering www.binance.com in your browser's address bar. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, and they frequently update their offerings, so it's a good idea to get familiar with their interface if you're not already. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged in with your account details. If you're handling sensitive information, always double check that you are using a secure connection. Next, after you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This might just be your email or a default profile picture, depending on your account setup. Go ahead and click on this icon. Clicking the profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to direct your attention to the dashboard option. This is essentially your control center within Binance, giving you a snapshot of your account and key features. Once you're on your dashboard, you need to find the Rewards Hub. The Rewards Hub is a dedicated area that highlights your potential earnings, including any active promotions and tasks you can undertake for additional points. You typically find this under the main account menu or as a link on the dashboard page. Clicking on Rewards Hub will redirect you to a page listing various bonus and reward offers in detail. Now that you're in the Rewards Hub, you will notice something labeled Do Task. The Do Task button leads you to a selection of tasks you can perform to earn rewards. These tasks can vary from simple actions like checking in daily, which is our focus today, to more involved activities that might require additional steps or trading activity. Click on Do Task to explore options available to you. Understanding how to view and utilize these check-in points can enhance your trading experience and offer additional incentives for regular platform usage. Not only do these rewards encourage consistent participation, but they can also contribute to maximizing your overall gains. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can stay on top of your daily rewards and make the most out of Binance's incentive program. Stay engaged with the platform, keep learning, and you might just see those points accumulate faster than you'd expect. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.